So from the video, should you use chemicals to clean a mini split coil? At username says vinegar. So I'm gonna say that's a question there. I'm gonna look. I'll go first on this one. If the vinegar itself is acidic, right?
Yep.
And if you were to water it down, you're going to lower the acidity level of it and all that stuff. But generally speaking, we don't recommend acid cleaners, right? We don't want to add something that is caustic or even basic solutions. We try to go with as neutral as we can.
Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of cleaners out there that are pretty neutral, yeah, whatever. I don't sell it, but whatever. Simple Green's pretty good, any kind of neutral stuff that's offered by, yeah, I don't know, New Calgon or any of the other people, out there selling stuff that, I don't sell. But whatever's at your favorite supply house that sells chemicals, there you go. As long as it's somewhat neutral, something that can help in like a bad case scenario, like if it's in a kitchen or something like that, you might need some degreaser, but it's still pretty neutral. And then you're going to be rinsing it, pretty good after the fact. I would not use rinseless.
No,
I mean,
that's what I
No,
was getting
it
ready to
needs to
say.
be rinsed.
Yep.
Yeah, definitely rinse it. I mean, if you're relying on it condensation wise to, rinse itself, does the entire coil, is it capable of rinsing itself? How long is it going to take to rinse itself? That kind of thing. So, but on the blower wheel, stuff like that, I'd still probably do something neutral as well, right?
Yep.
Even then, you know. Also, if you're going to clean it like Greg's video showed, with
That's what I
the
was.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah.
was just getting ready
yeah,
to say that.
normally water works pretty well. Or a degreaser of some kind works pretty well too.
Warm water, hot water.
Yeah, and don't forget the blower wheel.
Wouldn't go too hot.
Not too
Yeah,
hot.
yeah, you
That's why I said warm at first.
you could cause some problems if you get some real boiling water on there.
Yes.
Might be ugly now, but it'll be clean.
It'll be clean. It'll be real clean. You know that really good cleaner they used to make that would just strip the paint right off of that outdoor coil?
Yeah,
Don't use that.
yeah, yeah. We got a call one time years ago that said, "Yeah, I cleaned it real good." They sent pictures in, and it was silver.
Yeah. It's
Like,
like,
well,
yeah,
not
they had a
supposed.
coating on it.
Yeah, not supposed to be silver.